No, ma'am, we didn't.
No, no. So quickly do it and then we will discuss the answer. Okay. We have already done this all this, na? Yes.
Ma'am, should we write all the pairs of corresponding angles?
The pairs you can mention of
Okay,
corresponding, right? So pairs means you have to find two angles that will make a pair, right?
no, ma'am, we have to mention all the pairs, or like two are enough?
Two pairs are more than enough.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, what about others?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let's just quickly discuss the answer. Okay. First one, angle 1 and angle 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And angle 2 and
Angle
angle
3
anyone, right?
3 and
Angle say angle 3 and 7, angle 4 and 8.
yes,
The
ma'am.
second was the pair of alternate interior. So angle 2 and 8, angle 3 and 5, right? Right? The pair of alternate interior angle. So
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 5, 2 and this one. Okay, they have not mentioned this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it was there.
Which one? 8.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we count angle 4 and 5?
4 and 5. No.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, 4 and 5 is one is interior, one is exterior. I have only talked about alternate interior angle. So both the angles should be alternate. Like see, whenever you are getting alternate interior angle, na, one will be in left, one will be in right. Okay. You can
Yes,
see this
ma'am.
one is
Okay, ma'am.
they are alternate, right? And then interior angle on the same side, 3 and 8,
Yes, ma'am.
2 and 5.
3
Right?
and 2 and
Yes.
Vertically opposite 7, 5, 8, 6, 3, 1, 4, 2. Right?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So over
Yes.
here, these are the questions. Right? This is the question we will be doing. This one. This is a figure. You have to find the unknown angles. Okay, you already know, like use all the methods. You have so many things. Vertically opposite angle you have linear pair, right? So many things are there. Use them and find me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one
it's
second.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, everybody is done.
Okay, so should we discuss the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so for the first one, very first thing you can do is you can find this one, right? Which will
Yes.
be 125, right? And what will be this one?
Ma'am, 55 because linear path.
55,
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one 55, right?
Yes.
And then if this is 125, this will be also 125, alternate interior angle. If this is 55, it will be also 55. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then this one will be 125, and this
Yes,
one will be
ma'am.
55. Yes,
Ma'am.
done everyone,
Yes, done.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And you have the reasons as well, right? D is equals to this pair of corresponding angles, E equals to linear pair from this, and then F is equals to angle E, 55 vertically opposite angle, C is equals to F, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then C and F, A and E, B and D, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this one quickly, you have to find the value of X.
Ma'am, I can't see the figure.
Ma'am, what is the figure? Ma'am?
Can you people hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Now you have to do this one, find the value of X, right? In this figure also, in this figure also. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Okay, done. Everyone?
Everyone done. I think so Vega is not done.
No, ma'am. Like,
Ma'am, I'm
Vega is
done. I'm done.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
so tell me X.
Ma'am, 110.
That will be the X.
Ma'am, it's 110.
110.
Yes, ma'am.
I got something else.
Give me 1 minute. Okay. So now let's just discuss the answer. Tell me. For the X one, what do you people got?
Ma'am, I got 7.
7.
Anyone who got 120, 110?
Ma'am, me.
How?
Ma'am, because it's alternative interior, right?
Alternative interior angle are what? This is outside and this is inside. How can they be alternate interior angle?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
This you have to clear because you know in the previous one also I told you alternate interior angle, one is left, one is right, but both will be inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Here it is left and right, but they are not inside. Either both should be inside or both should be outside. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next one, what do people got?
Ma'am, 100.
100.
100, ma'am.
Which
Yes,
property?
ma'am.
Ma'am, corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Good. Very good. Okay. So now this one is not this one. I will give you in the this homework. Okay. You people will do
Oh,
it
okay,
and in
ma'am.
the next class we will discuss. Clear? Okay. Everyone.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes, ma'am.
let's just quickly. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to start with a chapter. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
That is going to be a
Yes, ma'am.
triangle. Okay. So I'm not going to teach you so many things. I'm just going to give you a few examples and few hint about this chapter. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's just first start over here. Ma'am, what are triangles? Anyone who will tell me what are triangles?
Ma'am, they are 3-sided shape.
Yes.
That's a 3-sided triangle.
Any other one?
Ma'am, it has 3 types.
Okay. No, no. Yeah, I got its types. It's like if I'll ask you, what is a triangle? How will you say that? Abdullah, do you want to try?
I can't hear
I
you.
can't hear you, Abdullah. Can you hear me now?
Uh,
Can you hear me now?
yes.
Okay. So tell me what
Your voice is breaking.
do you have any definition for triangle? Is it for everybody else? Everyone, my voice is breaking, or is it fine for everyone else? Okay, yeah, my
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's a bit
voice
break.
is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is
Okay.
breaking.
Is it fine? Is it fine now?
Wait.
Also, like right now, also it is breaking.
No.
Now it's not breaking.
Ma'am, now it's clear.
I'm going to tell you the definition of triangles. Okay. So triangle is basically is a closed figure, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle is a closed figure, right? Made up of how many line segments? 3 line segments. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segments. So the line segments are AB, BC, and AC. Clear? AB, BC, and CA, right? Or AC, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, these are now it has 3 line segments and 3 angles. Clear? And those 3 angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Clear? So what is triangle? From next class, everyone will learn this. If someone asks you, what is a triangle? You will say it is a closed figure. Triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segment and it has 3 angles. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it is made up of this. So in triangle, they have 3 line segment and it has 3 angles. Clear? I hope it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
It's clear.
Now coming to this, first of all, which Chakrika was telling me, I think some Chakrika was telling me types of triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to draw 3 types of triangles over here. First triangle is, anyone who
Equilateral
want to tell me? Okay. Anyone else who want to try?
Isosceles.
Hmm. Others. There are so many.
Scaling.
Yes. Okay. So first we will do triangles on the basis of sides. Okay. This is
Ma'am,
basically
equilateral triangle.
right. Okay. So we are doing triangles on the basis of sides. Clear? So first one we will draw it like this. So for example, 4 and 4, and this is 5 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Right? So over here, what does this mean? 2 sides are equal? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will say here, this one will be iso. You have to learn the spelling as well. S E X triangle. Clear? Right?
Yes,
So the triangles in which you will get 2 sides equal. Right? So this is isosceles triangle.
Ma'am,
Okay.
next is equilateral triangle, right?
Yes, equilateral triangles has all the sides equal, like 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. This is equilateral,
ma'am.
right? Equilateral triangle. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in properties of triangles, we'll be learning scaling too.
Yes, we'll be learning that.
Okay.
Right? Now coming to this one, the other triangle. Over here is like, ma'am, we don't have anything common. What will happen? Over here, 2 sides are equal, all the sides, but there can be a triangle where no any side is not equal, like 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. All the sides are unequal, right? At that time, it will be scalar.
Scaling.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I hope it's clear, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are basically on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, we have 3 triangles: isosceles, equilateral, and scalar. Okay? Isosceles, 2 sides are equal. Right? Over here, all sides are equal. Right? And for this scalar, no sides are equal. Right? No equal sides
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
mention. Equal sides.
Yes.
Okay? Abdullah, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me how many types of triangles are there on the basis of sides?
3.
Will you tell me the names?
Isosceles, equilateral, and scaling.
Very good. Now coming to the next one. Again, we are going to do types of triangles, right? But on the basis of angles, right? Again, we are going to divide it into 3 parts. Okay. So the first triangle look like this, right? This is the one. So over here, all the angles. For example, this is 30, this is 20, and this is 40, right? Got the point? This is 20, this is 30 degree, and this is 40.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all the angles are less than 90 degree, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All the
Then
angles are
actually
less than 90
triangle.
degrees. So this will be acute triangle. You know na acute? Less than 90 degree
Yes,
angles.
ma'am.
This will be acute triangle.
Ma'am.
I hope it's right. Any doubts?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
they are 90-degree, right?
Sorry,
But they make it 90-degree, right?
I didn't get what you are saying.
Ma'am, they make
You can
90-degree,
change it,
right?
like you can take 20 over here, right? But I wanted to tell you
Okay.
like they should be making it less than 90-degree, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
And coming to the next one over here, this one, right? So this one is, you can see this is itself a 90-degree angle, right? So
right angle triangle.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Right angle.
okay, so this is making this one. So what will be the property for this,
Right angle triangle.
right?
Hypotenuse.
Over here, when you will write all angles should be less than 90-degree. And over here, when you will mention has one right angle. Clear? A triangle which has one right angle, that is a right angle triangle. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
one right angle. No matter whether this is 60, 40, 90, 100, right? But one angle should be 90-degree. If one angle is 90-degree, this is right angle triangle. Clear? You don't have to do anything with these angles. Okay? But the only property is it has one right angle. Okay? Now coming to the next one, which is this one. In this,
Obtuse angle.
yes, more than 90-degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes,
is what
ma'am.
makes obtuse angle.
Okay, ma'am.
Obtuse. Okay. So on the basis of triangles, on the basis of angles, how many triangles are there? Acute angles, right angle,
Obtuse angle.
angle triangle, and off triangle, right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Like 120. Okay. So I'm just summarizing all the things which is a triangle. This is a closed figure made up of 3 segments and it has 3 angles. AB, BC, this, these are LS, line segment, and these are the angles. Okay. Now, types of triangles, you will mention it on the basis of sides, these 3, right? And types of triangles on the basis of angle, these 3. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes.
You will quickly note it down, then we will move to the next one. Just mention the chapter name, chapter 1, triangles. Okay. Everyone has written the triangle's definition?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, Abdullah, you have also written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one. See, just don't copy it down. Just make your good notes. Like isosceles triangles are those triangles in which we get two sides, like in which two sides are equal. That triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Make a definition. Okay.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done who has done types of triangles on the basis of sides? Or you people are doing?
Ma'am, I guess Sindhus and Abdullah is doing.
Okay, so I'll just wait for one more minute,
No,
then
ma'am,
we'll
I'm
start.
already done. I finished all of it.
Anyone who is left?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
No? No, na? So should I move?
Yes.
Okay. Now this one.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Chakrika, you can tell me. Chakrika, don't tell me today. Just send me a message on the WhatsApp, after the class because I don't have my notebook today where I will write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who is not done?
Ma'am, I think Sanders.
Ma'am, I am done already. I did it. I am sending
Others?
all the notes.
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am.
So over here, I hope in this, most of the people get confused, right? Over here, see, the only difference is this. Here, all the angles should be less than 90 degrees. Here has one right angle and here one angle should be more than 90 degrees. Clear? But in this, all should be less than 90 degrees. But here,
Yes,
only one, and here also one angle should be more than 90 degrees. It can be like this one can be 30 and this one can be 40. Okay? So everyone, you can make a note over here, others you'll get confused. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done?
Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone done? Should we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then just a minute. I will just. Mhm. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen, like the chapter. We will do it from here. Okay, so let's just start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coming to the very first question, this one. In a quadrilateral, AC is equals to AD and AB bisect angle A. Now, very first thing which you have to remember is this one. Now, what is this bisect? Anyone who can tell me the meaning of bisect?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is a line that divides like two angles equally.
Okay, very good. So bisect means, for example, this is an angle, right? This is O, this is A, and this is B. This line comes, okay? M line. So bisect means this line is bisecting this angle. So this means this angle and this angle will be equal. Clear? So wherever you are getting, see, others I would have used this word divide. So divide
Ma'am,
means,
can I
so
just explain one more time?
yeah, there are two words. One is the bisect, right? One is the divide. Clear? So for example, this is a line and this is a line. Okay. So the word bisect basically means is, for example, divide means this one. This is 2 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. I divided it. But bisect means here. This means this will be 3 centimeter and this will be 3 centimeter, like two equal parts. Clear? Whenever
Okay,
I am
ma'am.
using the word bisect, it means that it is dividing it into two equal parts. But divide can be equal, it can be unequal, both, right? But if instead of this, I am using bisect, that means it will always be equal parts. Clear? So
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
everyone
It's
ma'am.
clear.
first mention this in your notes, that bisect and divide. So bisect means equal parts and divide can be equal or unequal parts. Okay.
I have to write it down.
Just mention those who don't know, because this bisect word will come again and again, and at the time you will be confused.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone done? Should we move? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Students, should we move to the next question?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now coming to this one, this is a quadrilateral. So AC is equals to AD. They have already given. And AB bisect angle A. Okay. So this AB line is bisecting angle A. That means this angle and this angle will be equal. Right? You have to show that this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle this. Right? So for any time, if you want to prove the triangle congruent, you need 3 points. Right? Yes. So you have to find. Now what you are going to do? You are going to do it like this. In triangle ACB, this one, and ADB, this one. Right? You have to find the similarities, 3 similarities. First, second, third. Everyone try to do it and tell me the 3 similarities between this triangle and this triangle.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Just don't go
Ma'am,
for the question. I just want to find some similarities. Basically, these are not the question we are going to do. Okay?
ma'am, it's just I'm asking, okay? So,
Yes.
yeah. So, the okay. So,
Hmm.
the line AB bisects ACB and ADB, right?
Hmm.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Mhm.
That's it. That's all I wanted to ask.
Okay. Anyone who got the points? Should I tell you the points? See, in the first triangle, right? This AC is equals to AD, right? Then angle, this one, CAB is equals to angle BAD, right? And over here, this one is common between them. AB equals to AB. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted you to find that similarities. So this is not a part of your syllabus. I just wanted you to find the similarities. Right? So I hope everybody got it. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who
Ma'am?
is still confused?
Ma'am,
No? Yes?
ma'am, can we write it like
What about
in
it? Let's start with our
sentences?
exercise. Okay? I just wanted to find you the only thing, the motive behind this one. For example, equal. There should be some criteria. Either their size will be equal, either their
Mom,
will be
mom, your voice is breaking way too much.
or we will be having the common thing, right? Okay, okay. Am I audible now? Okay. Everyone, you will just first tell me the answer of the first one. How many altitudes can a triangle have? But before starting, you will tell me one thing. What is the difference? Okay, let's just start from here first. Okay, this one.
Mom, I'm done.
Yes.
Mom, it's like the first, second, and third question, right? The three of them, right?